Now that you've mastered arranging video clips, let's delve into script editing with InVideo AI. A well-written script is the backbone of any engaging video, and InVideo AI offers two ways to refine your course content. The Magic Box approach, AI-powered editing. The Magic Box isn't just for video editing. This method allows you to leverage the power of AI for broader script adjustments. Here's how it works. Identify areas for improvement. Review your script and pinpoint sections that require modification. Craft your magic command. Once you've identified an area for improvement, formulate a clear and concise command for the magic box. For instance, you could type "change sentence to sound more conversational," or add a transition phrase to introduce the next topic, or simplify the language in Chapter 3. Let the magic box work its magic. InVideo AI will analyze your script and your prompt, and then suggest revisions to fulfill your request. Review the suggested edits and choose the ones that best suit your needs. This can be a fantastic way to streamline the editing process and ensure your script delivers your message effectively.
Hey there! Ready to unlock your creativity with our free InVideo AI course? Let's dive in and get started. Our free course is your ticket to pro-level editing without the price tag. First, it's super easy to use. No prior experience needed. Just drag and drop.
The script option. For more granular control over your script, InVideo AI offers the Edit Script option. Here's a breakdown of the process. Locate the Edit Script option. Find the Edit Script option associated with your chosen video project within the InVideo AI interface. Refine your script directly. This section provides a detailed view of your entire script. You can directly edit the text, adjust the order of sentences, or even add new content as needed. Don't forget to click Apply Changes to save your edits. Preview your changes. InVideo AI allows you to preview your edited script with the corresponding voiceover to ensure the changes flow seamlessly. This is a great way to refine the audio delivery and pacing of your course content. Clarity is key. Strive for clear, concise, and easy to understand language in your course script. Engage your audience. Use a conversational tone and incorporate storytelling elements to keep your viewers engaged and motivated to learn. Proofread with care. Always double-check your script for any typos or grammatical errors before finalizing your course video. By mastering these script editing techniques within InVideo AI, you can ensure your course content is informative, engaging, and delivers a powerful learning experience for your students. Let's move on to the next section, where we'll explore some additional features within InVideo AI that can further enhance your course creation journey.